Hello friends, in my last video I show you how we can set up Umbraco site through Visual Studio, and in this video I will show you how you can set up your Umbraco site in IIS. So let's begin. So friends, I have opened my previous project in Visual Studio and let's press Ctrl F5 to run it. So if you click Umbraco, then you will prompt with a login screen. You just need to provide your username and password, which I have already did, so I was auto login. Now suppose like in your Umbraco site you have a simple page called home, and suppose you added some content in the home page through your template. So let's check the template. So in the template I added some content. So if you preview the page, you'll see some content with the home page and some descriptions, but the problem is I need to view that page through, like I need to run my site through the Visual Studio, and then only I can view my page. But now I want to host that Umbraco site in the IIS so that I don't need to log into the Visual Studio to view my page. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the home node and click culture and hostname. So click culture and hostname and add some local domain that you want to use for your site. Suppose let's say learning Umbraco that localhost, and save it. Now after we set the culture and host name, now it's time to set up the IIS. So let's go to our IIS and let's create a new site. I'm calling it at Umbraco testing.com. You can provide any site name, but in the host name it should be the same host name that you provide in your culture and host name, which is learning Umbraco.localhost, and the physical path will be the place where you have your project, which is inside the test and learning Umbraco CMS. So click it. Now once you have set up the site, now you can click your site and just click. Now click browse learning Umbraco.localhost. This will open your site. Now you are not logged into Visual Studio. You can just check that by closing your Visual Studio. So I'm closing my Visual Studio. So once I close my Visual Studio, you can check if that still works. And see, it's not working because we have closed the Visual Studio. But if you refresh the site, see the site is still running. And now if you want to log into the CMS, you can easily click Umbraco and you can easily log into the CMS. Thank you for watching this video.